These are some of the software needed for maintenance planning. The following software or applications are needed for better planning, preparation, and control of maintenance activities. CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, became a mandatory tool in most of the organizations to arrange and record all maintenance activities and to help the team to build and prepare budgets and job plans. CMMS either comes as a module within a complete ERP or enterprise resource planning system or as a separate package. Some of the predominant names in the industry are SAP and Maximo, yet there is Oracle and Empac as well. Some organizations are using tailored or special-made software, which is okay as long as it helps to fulfill the required functions. Again, CMMS is only a tool to improve the performance of the team, yet it does not build a system or manage the team on your behalf. Maintenance planners should be aware of CMMS and how to use and apply its features, yet they could learn database basics or the common concepts among all CMMS, and then the deep experience should come from day-to-day practices. Few other common tools should be familiarized and well practiced by mechanical planners or electrical planners like Excel and Microsoft Project. Excel has a wide range of benefits and usages, including job plan templates, budget preparation, data analysis, root cause analysis, and Pareto analysis. Microsoft Project is mainly used for shutdowns or turnarounds and upgrading projects. During this slide, we will go through a few common questions which I would like to answer from my own experience. The first question is, what is the preferred age and experience of maintenance planners? Actually, experienced technicians are always the best planners, as long as they have adequate computer skills. If not, you can use low experienced technicians or engineers who have good computer skills, and they can do the job in cooperation with their experienced teammates. The second question is how planners should build job plans. Actually, the best thing for newcomers or young planners is to spend quite some time on site, following job execution and recording whatever they witness. This will give them the opportunity to learn technicalities and to gain experience, and also they will get the chance to build database for job plans. The following question is, does the execution team have to follow the job plan? Yes, of course, they have to follow the job plan and update it in case they use a modified procedure or in case the reality is far different from the plan. They have to correct it so it can be used as an updated reference for future jobs. The next question is why they have to follow and stick to the job plan. Actually, because the job plan should be the most updated reference for the job details, which if anyone, even with low experience, use it, he will complete the job successfully if he only follows the job plan. So the execution team have to follow the job plan and update it, even if they repeat the job for 100 times. The last question is, what is the difference between the job plan and the work order? Actually, the job plan is the full detailed procedure, including instructions, which can be used with all similar work orders as long as they are doing the same activity or task. Work order is the specific request to do a certain job and on a certain equipment within all needed details and ready to be scheduled. Work order can use one or more job plan. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lecture and found some added values and new information. You can always refer to our other courses as well, like the course that we gave before under the title of Maintenance Management Basics. Kindly do not forget to rate the course as well and to give your feedback and to recommend the course to others if you like it. Thanks again, and see you soon in another course.